Welcome back to the studio at Schrader Tree Farm. I'm Ted again, back with another little painting project. I painted up this little bear. This is my first one. It turned out pretty decent. This one is fairly difficult too. I'm thinking this is like a 3 or 4 out of 5 just because of the way the ears have to be just right. So for this project, you're gonna for sure need some peach paint, whatever color you want for your light strings, black and white, of course. So I've already painted kind of the little outline, kind of make a little rounded shape. You could probably almost go straight up. You could probably almost go straight and just kind of make a rounded top. So this one, you kind of just fill in the ears, kind of follow the edge of your, kind of where you think the head will be. I think this ear is kind of off a little bit. This might be okay. Then the nose, like outline here is kind of about halfway down where the ears are. So kind of find your halfway point and kind of make a little dot. And that's kind of the top of the rounded part of his nose. And it's kind of just like a little triangle, and then around the edges. I'm trying to round the corners a little bit. Okay, while that's drying, use a little peach, or not, a little pink for the cheeks. Just make a little circle. I don't really like this pink, but that's what I have. It could be a little bit lighter. Also, I've been doing something different with my black. So I'm going to run the little light string around, paint the hat on. Probably plenty. Kind of waiting for that nose section to dry so I can do that. Then I'm going to just kind of run the string of lights around him, or her, I guess. You can always touch up your boo-boos. Okay, so that's where we're at. This one's going to be a little bit bigger of a bear. While we're waiting still for it to dry, we will do the snowflakes. Like I always say, make sure you have some prepped ahead of time. Have 3 or 4 in each stage so that you're not waiting for stuff to dry like I am. It's a lot of paint. Put the big snowflakes in and the little snowflakes here. touch up that spot right there. It kind of went a little bit too far around. Let me see. Still not quite dry enough. We're gonna come back with, I think I'm gonna do a different color hat. I'm gonna do like purple and maybe like light green. Nah, that's not gonna be dark enough. Let's do pink instead. Kind of a goofy little hat. I want my brush, I want to put a little white snowball on top. And their fine tip brush again, just used. Because what you're gonna do is make this little kind of triangle thing and then the little loop for the mouth. And then we're about done. So we go straight. It's almost like a little heart. Put little eyes in. Try to make them about the same size. Okay, I'm not gonna outline this one like I did that one. I think I'm just gonna do something like this. Something like that. Get your Poscas, add your light bulbs, which is always the hardest part to make it look quite right. I think we're going to call that one done. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching.